Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, reportedly more similar to Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus than previously thought. One of the first accessories for all three Galaxy S26 models offers a glimpse into the design of Samsung's three flagship phones of 2026, particularly regarding the shape and size of their displays, many other top upgrades, and unpacked launch details. Let's dive into the video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's front design closely resembles that of its two siblings. A very reliable tech leaker hinted several months ago that Samsung was abandoning the formerly sharp and angular corners of the Galaxy Note series, and leaked renders based on CAD models have already documented the trend towards more rounded displays. Now we are seeing accessories for the Galaxy S26 series for the first time, consisting of three screen protectors for the successors to the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. In the photo, as you can see in the video, the three tempered glass covers for the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra look very similar. The only difference appears to be the size, which are presumably 6.3 inches, 6.7 inches, and 6.9 inches, corresponds to the expected display diagonals of the next Samsung flagship smartphones. The front design of the Ultra models, previously characterized by its angular edges, has given way to the same rounded design of the two smaller models. The display edges also appear uniformly thin on all four sides. It remains to be seen whether Samsung will be able to further reduce the edges this year, as Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have done. A recent, somewhat dubious specs leak for the entire Galaxy S26 series hinted at some major changes to the batteries and cameras. Reports surfaced that the top-end Galaxy S26 Ultra would feature a new S5K3 LD sensor and support for Samsung's advanced APV video codec. This codec will enable lossless video compression, which is especially important for high-resolution shooting. Regarding charging, Samsung is preparing an updated PPS fast charging system for the S26 Ultra. Official support for up to 60 watts is expected. For the first 15% of the charge, the smartphone will receive 55 watts and then stabilize at 45 watts until 70% is charged. This is a significant improvement over the previous 45-watt system Samsung used previously. The use of the Exynos 2600 is currently relatively certain, at least in the Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus. According to Samsung's first official teaser for the Galaxy S26 series, new camera sensors will also be included. Over the weekend, industry insiders from Korea also revealed the supposed Galaxy Unpacked date in February 2026. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.